Dreams are the imaginative bridge between our reality and our deeply desired future. This is about our deepest longings for connection and fulfillment in a soul level partnership. Just so, miracles are a bridge between the expected and divine occurrences of profoundly transformative love. This can happen through a sudden meeting and experiencing an immediate soul recognition, or finding unexpected lasting love, or through unforeseen reunions or reconciliations. Perhaps the most profound love miracle is our love opens our hearts in ways that we couldn't even imagine. Thank you. Unarakastichteerta, nanarteerta starta la anunkurkuchtoorteerta, di ik halakastarteerta, di ik halakastarteerta, di ik ala araka, di ik ala arakastartos tikaraka, dartos teertas tikarakan sierta, darti inan sierta, darteertas dartos tiko ochte urokos tikahan. Ochtdoorteertas tikaraka la anank acharaka, la anank acharaka, la anank acharaka stika anunkorokos. Danorteertas tikaraka, danorteertas tikaraka la anankaraka di ik alo orokos tiko ogun zichte. Onarakastikahan, onarakastikahan, onarakasti. Artos tikaraka, ankaraka, ankaraka, ankaraka. It is done. It is so. Thank you with all my love, Francie.